Okay, this is homework for Wednesday, the 10th, and tonight's homework is going to be exactly like Monday's homework, where you're going to use your ruler, you're going to draw the line in, you're going to put your slope triangle in, find the y-intercept, and write the equation on one of the blanks here. All right, so I would like you to turn the video off. You have the worksheet, and I would like you to do all of them, and then you can turn the video back on and see how you did. Now, if you need to check them one at a time because you're not feeling really confident, that's okay, but don't copy these because you won't be able to do it yourself when you need to if you do that. Okay, so I'm going to start. You should turn the video off now. Okay, JK. Slope triangle. This line from the left to the right is falling, so this is going to be negative 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Change in y, rise. Over change in x, run. Negative 4 divided by 4 is negative 1. The graph is crossing the y-axis right here. Right here. At 2, and so therefore the equation is y equals, whoops, we don't want that yellow. Y equals negative 1x plus 3. I think I said that was 2, but that's not 2, that's 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. Now, this is not in simplest form because we already know that negative 1 times x is just negative x. So we really write it as y equals negative x plus 3. Number 2. LM. Slope triangle. This line, by the way, is rising up. My run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change in y or rise over change in x, 6. 6 goes into 8 once with 2 6 left over, which I believe is a third. If you did it on your calculator, I think you'd get 1.33333. Oops. Yes. So, y equals 1 point. We won't put point, we'll put 1/3. 1 1/3 x. And I'm going to put a yellow mark where the y-intercept is. It's here at 0, so plus 0. Okay, and we don't usually put plus 0. So I'm just writing y equals 1 and 1/3 x. Next problem. Okay, this one is NS. And slope triangle, this line is falling down. This is negative 2. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rise. Overrun. Negative 2/8 I think is the same as negative 1/4. So, and if you did it on your calculator, you'd get negative 0.25. So y equals negative 1/4 x, and it's crossing right here. You see at 2. Here's the y-axis, and here's your line. It's crossing at 2 plus 2. Number 4. PQ. This is an Interesting line. So we talked about this in class last Friday. We did a warm-up where you had the equation of a line where the line was just horizontal like this, and you also had another one where it was vertical, and we called this zero slope and we called this undefined. So I don't know if you remember how we wrote the equations, because you can write equations for both of them, but so I just want you to think about this for a second. If I go over here and down here, this is -4, -3. This is -3, -3, -2, -3, -1, -3, 0, -3, 1, -3, 2, -3, 3, -3. The common thing that they all have in common is that the y coordinate is -3. Therefore, the equation of the line is y, whoopsies, y equals -3. Because every point along this line has a y of -3. This is 4, -3, 5, -3, and so on. Okay, number 10. RQ. Okay. Okay, slope triangle. This one is rising up. So this is 2, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Changing y over changing x. There's really no way to simplify that. If you did it on the calculator, it's 0.4, but we'll leave it as y equals 2/5 x, because there's nothing wrong with fractions. It's crossing the y-axis at 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, right here. So 2/5 x minus 5. Okay, you're done with tonight's homework. Tomorrow's homework will be taking the same equations, and this time we'll use the 2 points of the line to find the equation. Okay, have a great night.